So hello, I want to hope that this finds you well. I've thought of teaching you how to play rhythm in a band. Now, in a band meaning probably there is a bass guitar there, there's a drummer, there's a soloist, and now you want to play the rhythm. So rhythm ya wakati uko kwa band, try your best to avoid the bass. Okay? Wakati unacheza rhythm, try your best to avoid the bass because bass inachezwa na mtu mwingine. So that's how we work with it. And now I want to teach you how to play with only 3 strings. Only 3 strings. Now, very quickly view here. We have our key of we can choose G. You know this G. This one. You also know this one. This is the same G. Okay. Tukiingia kidogo kuna hii. We have this one. So regardless of whichever way you may hold, and please understand me clearly, this is the easiest way you can understand. Regardless of whichever form you hold, you will only use string 2, string 3, and string 4. So I quickly show you with this example. For example, this one. We know that this is G, string 2, fret 8 is G, right? So we want to play with the key of G. So, and then finger 1, of course it is holding string 3, fret 7. Then finger 3, string 4, fret 9, okay? And then you play string 4, and then 2, and then 3. Are we together? So string 4, 2, 3, all together. Now, you hear it? Sawa. And then when you come from G, your 4 is C. Unaenda tu hapo, your C iko hapo. Yenye tunashika kama F. You remember the way we hold F? Trace F sharp, G, G sharp, whatever mpaka C. Tuko sawa hapo? I hope tumeelewana. Let me repeat. Vile tu huwa unashika F hapa. And the F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C. So C is your 4. Remember now, our G is here, our C is here. Tuko sawa? So let's assume tunaenda progression ya 1 4 1 5. So very fast it is G, C, then we go back to G, and then D. We have D right here. From the way tunajua hold A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D. So tuko sawa hapo. So this is your D, this is your G, this is your C. So 1 4 1 5. G, C, G, D. I repeat, G, C, G, D. Now quickly as I wind up, okay? So, kama soloist, for example, anacheza this song, it is just an example, try that and see whether you can be perfect.